Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to install K7 Total Security Antivirus in your PC or laptop. Okay, open browser, type here K7 Computing Download, hit enter. Now click on free download antivirus software for PC and laptop. Now select Total Security and click on download. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. File is downloaded. Click on downloaded setup file. Now click on yes. Now click on install K7 Total Security. Installing, please wait while take a time. After this, type here serial number. Click on next. Fill here all details. Click on next. Now you see activation successfully. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.